Hello, welcome back. In this video I will be explaining how to operate Mt4 or Mt5 app on iPhone. For iPhone users, this is how to operate this app. So now, if you notice, we have some icons above and we have some icons also below. Below we have 5 icons. We have the first one, quotes, the second one, charts, the third one, trade, the fourth one, history, then the last one, setting. And up there we have H1, we have a plus icon, we have a F icon, and one other icon, then the last two above. So now let's start with the quotes. When you click on the quotes, this is where you will see all the different pairs. You will see all the different pairs. You can see we have a lot of pairs here. So above you will see like a pencil icon, If you click on that pencil icon, you can decide to delete. Are you getting it? You can decide to delete some of those pairs. So let us delete some of these pairs. Let us delete all. I want to show you something. So we've deleted all. So and we have just one that is showing. Let us add some pairs to this. So we have boom 1000 in index as the only pair that is showing, and you can see is the one on my charts. That's why we can't delete that one, because we are still on the charts of boom 1000. So now to add more pairs, all you just need to do is you will see enter symbol for search. Just tap on it. Then we have different markets. I said it in one of my video. I said we have different markets in the forex market, in the financial markets. Don't forget, forex is foreign exchange. Are you getting it? So inside the foreign exchange, all over the world, the whole world are trading in the foreign exchange markets. So we have a lot of markets. Are you getting it? So one of the markets is volatility indices markets. Another market is metals market. Another market is crypto market. Another market is energies market. Another market is crash boom indices market. Another market is step index. We have Europe market. We have US market. We have smart. So there are lots of markets. We have stock market also. So there are lots of markets. So it's now left for you to decide, okay, which market do I want to start trading? So you can decide to start trading currency pairs, which is currency markets. So for you to trade currency pairs, you just click on Forex Major. Then you see those different pairs. We have AUD, JPY, AUD, USD, Euro, AUD, Euro CAD, Euro CHF, and the like. So let's just add some. You click on the plus icon in front of them. Right? Let's also add USD, JPY. Right? So we've added currency pairs. So if you have to trade crypto, you just go to crypto. Okay, let's add Bitcoin, BNB, Bitcoin, USD, Dash, EOS, Ethereum, and the likes, Litecoin. You can add as many as possible, right? So let's look for another one. Let's add volatility. Let's add some volatility. This one is okay. Let us add crash. Let us add all this. So which one again? So okay, under metal you can decide to add gold. You can see the first one is silver versus USD, the second one is gold versus USD. So there are lots of, we have platinum also, XPT USD. So you should be the one to decide, okay, which market do I need to start trading, which one do I like. So you should choose and start trading. You can add it there, then you click on cancel. So you can see here we have those pairs. They've been added to the charts. You can see them. So let's click on charts, the second one. So on this charts, this is where you will see your pair. You will see the price, of the pair you are trading at that particular time. For example, now, if you look up there, you will see one pair written in blue, boom 1000 index. If you tap on it, you will see other pairs. You can see we have other pairs here. So instead of you to go back to the quote to click on maybe crash 1000 and click on charts, instead of you to stress yourself by going to that part, to choose crash 1000, you can just tap on the crash 1000, right? Then you scroll down to choose any pair you want. For example, if you want crash 300, you tap on it, it will automatically display. So you can see it's loading. So this is crash 300, right? So let us choose maybe boom 1000. You can see this is boom 1000. So this is for the charts. Then the third icon, trade. So here is where you will see all your running trades and your capital. On this particular account, you can see I have $2,262 on this, and that's the balance. The equity is same thing, the free margin is same thing. So when you start trading, all these things will be moving, right? And here below the plain white part, you will start seeing what's it called, those trades you take. You will start seeing them loading on this part. You still get to understand this part now, because I'm going to explain that, and I will show you an example of how to do that. So let's check history. So this history is where you will see your trades, you know, those trades that you take. This is where you will see those trades. Are you getting what I'm saying now? This is where you will see those trades. Then on setting, this is where you can add your account. You can add new accounts. You know, you can click on this and search the broker. So you can see we have different brokers. So after registering on the broker, you know, I shared with you, you can just come here and search Derive, right? You search Derive and you click on Derive, then you put your login detail and your password. If it's a live account, you change it to server 1 or server 2, then you put in your login details and password, then you click on login. Automatically it will log in your account, right? So let's continue. We are done with all the icons below. So let's start with the icons above. So the first icon is the H1. If you click on the H1, you can see it has changed. We now have M1, M5, M15, M30, H1, H4, D1, W1, MN. So the M1 is 1 minute time frame. So each candlestick is 1 minute. You can see each of this candlestick now is 1 minute. This particular candlestick that is forming is 1 minute, right? Each candlestick, it will take each candlestick 1 minute to open and close. If I click on M5, it will take each candlestick 5 minutes to open and close. Each candlestick, it will take its 5 minutes. If I click on M15, it will take each candlestick 50 minutes to open and close. So if I click on D1, it will take each candlestick 1 day to open and close. So this particular trade that is running now is today. So by the end of today, 12 p.m. on dot, it will stop and another one will start forming here. Right, so this is today, this was yesterday, this was day before yesterday, just like that. I get what I'm saying now. So each candlestick on any time frame you are, you know, if you are on 1 hour time frame, each candlestick is 1 hour. So it will take how many candlestick? It will take 24 candlestick to make a day. So let's count it. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So it's still remaining like 2 hours to end today, right? So it's remaining 2 candlestick, which is 2 hours. I think you now understand this, right? So let's continue. So then we have this plus icon. This plus icon is just like your normal mouse on mouse you use on your laptop. But it's not mouse, I just use it as an example. So we use it to navigate through on this our chart. You can see the price is showing black, right? So for example, if you want to know the price points around this point, you can just use this plus icon, that plus stuff, right, to know the point. So the point here is 13822.4381. That's the price around that side. So if you want to know the price below, you can also move it down. Then we have F. This F is where you will see indicators. There are all the indicators on this Mt5 or Mt4. This is where you will see. So we have different indicators. We have trend indicator, we have oscillators, we have volumes, and we have Bill Williams. So under trend, we have average direct movements. In the index, we have Bollinger Band, we have envelope, we have Ishimoku, we have moving average, we have parabolic SAR, we have standard deviation. So let's start with moving average. So here you can, edit, you can choose your moving average, you can edit it. So let me just click on done. You can still do more research on that. So you can see the EMA, that is EMA 28, and you can see the purple line now is the EMA. Are you getting what I'm saying now? So you can play along with it, right? So if you click that, you can add more indicators. You can add like stochastic, right? You click on done, you can see below we have stochastic below. You can still add more, You can add, maybe you want to add alligator, right? You can see the alligator. So let us remove the moving average. You will delete it, you click on done. So you can see we only have the alligator above, then we have the stochastic below. I guess what I'm saying now. So you can play along with it. So the third icon, right? So here is where you see objects, right? You know, here we have 6 objects. We have the rectangle, we have the horizontal line, we have the Fibonacci tool, we have the trend line, we have the vertical line, and we have this last one, which is like an angle object, right? So let's start with this. Can you see? That is the rectangle. This one is vertical, sorry, the horizontal, we call it horizontal. You can use it to set your support or resistance, right? Somewhere there is around resistance level. You can use this one also. This is a trend line. You can use it to draw your trend line, your perfect trend line. You can use it to draw it. We also have vertical line. This particular one, you can just play around it. And this one is Fibonacci. You can use this one to draw a Fibonacci. You start from the low, you drag it up, right? Then the points, right? So that is that. We also have more objects. All you just need to see more of those objects, you click on objects, then you can see we have the lines, we have the channels, we have the gain, we have the Fibonacci, we have the Elliots, and we have the shape. So you can even choose a triangle. So can you see the triangle now? So for example, this triangle also, you can also make it bold and you can add a color to it. All you just need to do is to long click on it, click on property, then you on this field, then you can change the color to any color you want to be yellow. You click on done, you can see it has changed to yellow. I get it. So you can also delete all. You just come here, you click on the bin and you click on delete all. I get it. So as time goes on, just play with it, you will get it right. So we can also delete all this. You just drag and delete, then you click back. So you can see our chart is now playing. So one other thing is this particular function is only iPhone that has it. Are you getting it? Android doesn't accept this. You don't have this function. Here you can set your stop loss and you can move it. It's just like it's automated. Like it makes setting of stop loss and setting of TP easy. So for iPhone users, you people will enjoy this. For Android users, you don't have this. But the funnest part, also Android users, there is one thing Android users also enjoy that iPhone users don't enjoy when it comes to Mt4 or Mt5 app. So on Mt4, Mt5, you can divide your screen into two, like something like having, for example, like you having one pair here, right, and you have another pair below. If you check some of my charts, right, that I posted in all my groups, right, you will notice I normally divide my screen into two in such a way that you can have one pair, you can have like a boom 1000 up here, then you have another pair below. You can have like cryptocurrency, like a Bitcoin pair below. So you can use your screen to trade two pairs, right? Not like this whereby you can't divide your screen into two. It's like you having a two screen. You have one up, you have another one below. So the one up, you are trading currency pair on it, then the one below, you are trading like cryptocurrency pair. Are you getting? But on iPhone, you cannot do that. You can divide your screen into two. But the one other function I love about this iPhone is this. You will enjoy this powerful buy limit. You can sell buy limit, you can sell sell limit, you can sell stop loss, which will be below. You can sell TP, which is above, right? So that's very powerful. I love this function, right? Also Android, I love the division of your screen function for Android. So that's that. So then the last but not the least, which is this last icon. This icon is what we use to place a buy or a sell. So for example now, let's say you place a sell here, right? I just place the sell. So can you see? I just place a sell. Let me place another one. Can you see? So all you just need to do is to tap on it once, right, and it will show. Are you getting? If you have to place a buy, you tap on buy, then you can see. Can you see? So we use that last function for to buy and sell. You can also increase your lot size here. You can make it 0.04 or 0.07. Then you click on sell or anything. Are you get what I'm saying now? So that is that. And now we are on trade, which is the icon, the third icon below, which is the trades, right? If you click on chart, that's where you will see your screen. If you click on trade, that's where you will see all your running trades, and you can see the balance is 0.20 USD up there. Are you getting it? So let's try and close some trades. Okay, how do you close? So here we have 1 2 3 4 5 running trades. So for you to now close any of these trades, now you just have to drag the trade to the left, then you tap on the first part there and click close position. Then you now click close with profit below, right? And you see you do same thing for others. You click close position, then you click close the transaction ID, then sell 0.2 by market with profit of 0.21. You close it. Then you do the same for all if you have to close all your trades, right? There is one other thing. For example, if you want to set stop loss or take profits, right? So how do you do that? For example, let us do this. So for example, let us close this buy trade. So let us close this buy trade. So we now have a sell trade. So for example, if your prediction is that the market will come down, you know we are on sell trade. So if you predict that this market will sell from that level down to this point, so what is that point? Meaning, if it sell, right? If it sells, that means you will be on good profits. Then you can decide to set your TP somewhere. Meaning, if this market continues to go down, let me show you. If this market continues to sell down, that means you want to set your TP somewhere down here. That when this market gets to that point, it should automatically close it on profit for you. Like you are automating your trade to automatically close a trade in profit when it gets to a particular position or a point. So the point is 13885. All you just need to do is to drag it to the left, then click on the pencil icon below 18885. Then you can see stop loss and you can see take profit 13885. I think that is the point there, 13885. Let's see if it's going to modify. Yes, I got it right. You can see that's the point. Can you see the line now? We now have a line there. So let us delete that line. So can you see we have one line there, TP line. Can you see it now? So we just set our TP. So you can set stop loss up there, that if this market reverse, meaning it's going against you, it should automatically close it on little loss up there. So let's set our stop loss at 1392, then stop loss 139220, right? Let's modify. So automatically your stop loss is somewhere up there. If you check it well, you will notice there is one line up there. So that's where your stop loss is. So your prediction is that this market will sell, and if this market sell and it gets to this point, it will automatically close that trade on profits. You know, even if you are not awake, even if you are not with your phone, even if you leave your phone and you go out and spend like maybe 10-20 hours outside, automatically as soon as the market gets to this point, it will automatically close. You are automating it. You are commanding the Mt5 app to automatically close that trade when it gets to that level. I get what I'm saying now. So but now let us close this trade. Close position, then you close it. So now that's that. So now one other thing before we end this, I want to show you something. So this is it. There is lot size, you know, depending on the kind of trader you are or your capital. Please make sure you are careful with lot size. So let's start with 0.2, right? I place a sell. Let me make it times 10, which is 2 lot size. I've placed a sell also. Let me now make it 20. I place a sell. Okay, that one is not going. So let me make it 10. I place a sell, right? So here we have 3 different lot size. We have 0.2, then we have 2 lot size, and we have 10 lot size. Don't forget the one above is 0.2, is lower than 2 lot size. So 0.2 times 10 will give you 2 lot size. Hope you are getting it. Then 2 times 5 will give you 10. So you can see 0.2 is lower than 2 lot size, and 2 also is lower than 10 lot size. So the bigger your lot size, the bigger money, the more money you make. The lesser your lot size, the less money you make. And don't forget, your capital will also determine your lot size. So if you have a small capital of like $200, $100, please always follow the normal risk management rule, by using the recommended lot size 0.01 for currency pair. For boom, you can use 0.2. Please make sure you learn to understand this. It's very important because a lot of forex traders make mistake on this lot size. So be careful when using lot size. The bigger your lot size, the more money you will make, and the bigger your lot size, there is tendency of you losing more also. So make sure you are careful. If you are trading with small accounts, make sure you are careful. Okay, you can see the first one is 0.21 profit, the second one is $82 profit, while the third one, which is the last one, is now $10 profit. Can you see it now? So if I leave all these trades for like 1 hour now, the one below you may see it on like $200 or $300 profit. Then the second one you see that one maybe on $30 profit. Then the one up you can see that one maybe on $3 profits. If you're trading with like $100 or $200, make sure you are careful with your lot size. Don't use a bigger lot size. I get what I'm saying. Learn is very advisable. You learn. So let's close all these trades. Close with profits, right? So I've closed that. You just drag it to the left. You click on the first icon. You click on close position. Then you close it. You drag it again. You click on close position. Then you close it. So that's it. So that's that. I hope you've learned something tonight. So alright, I wish you the best. So watch the next video, right, to learn more on how to trade the forex market. So these are just some little things you need to understand, right? You need to understand how to navigate on this chart, how to from code to chart, from chart to trade, from trade to history. And yes, one other thing, lest I forget, one other thing you need to understand is this. When you tap on your screen, you will see setting. You can click on the setting. So here you can change your candlestick to bar chart or anything. You can also change the color, something like that. So you can play with all these things. You can change your color maybe to like something like blue. Then you change this one also to like blue. Then you click on save. Then you come back. You will see. Can you see that the candle has changed to blue? So you can play with this. You can indicator, trade, and all those things. Just play with all those things, right? So I'm happy to have you here. So watch the next video. All right. Thank you. Hello, I'm happy to have you here. Welcome to my channel. If you know you are new to this platform, if you know you are new to forex trading, or you are new to this channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button and don't forget to like and comment. And also somewhere up here you will see a notification button. Click on it, turn it on, so you won't miss any updates from me. So anytime I upload videos, on this my channel, you will automatically be notified, right? So make sure you put on the notification button, put on the notification icon. Okay, so I'm happy to have you here. If you still want to learn more on how to trade the forex market, you want a working system, you want a working strategy, check the description below, click on the WhatsApp link. You will see a WhatsApp link there, click it, you will automatically be redirected to my DM, to my WhatsApp DM. Bring up your question, ask me any question, be free, ask me any question and I'll be ready to answer you, right? So I've designed a working system that will tell you when to buy, when to sell. I've designed videos, I've recorded a lot of videos that will teach you everything about forex, how to make money in the forex market, how to trade on your own, how to analyze the market, how to test, how to do everything, how to do technical analysis, how to do a trend line channel, Fibonacci, right? Support and resistance, demand and supply, chart pattern, candlestick pattern, and others, right? So I've designed everything for you. All you just need to do is to click on the link in the description below, the WhatsApp link in the description below, and message me on WhatsApp. I will answer all your questions. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and other social media platforms, right? I'm happy to have you here. My name is Ido Paul. popularly known as IOP, and I will be your forex coach. I will hold you by your hands till you start making money in the forex market. I'm happy to have you here. Don't forget, click on the subscribe button. Also like, comment, share with your friends, and on the notification icon. Click on the notification icon to put it on. Alright, I'm happy to have you here. Alright, see you later.